Mom, there are so many fish. Stay close to Mom.
Hurry and leave right away.
Yeah.
Thief! Stop and run, child! Ha! A petty thief! Look!
Hug you.
I'm hungry.
Mommy's here. I can do it myself. Let's go. Yes, Mom. The buoy is moving. Wait. We have dinner. Yeah, you're great.
Tomorrow we'll go out to the fields to catch mice, okay?
Yes.
Quiet! Mice are nearby.
Yes. I caught one. Good job, baby. It smells so good, Mom. Today we have a full stomach.
We will have vegetables to eat, baby.
Really, Mom? Look, the plant is taller. Yeah, we can do it. Mom, there are so many vegetables. Enough to sell, baby.
The vegetables are so fresh. Can I have some?
Yes, thank you very much.
Mommy, I found a big one.
Good job. Put it in the basket.
Run, child! Mommy! Mom, are they gone yet? Shh, don't breathe too hard.
Looks like they're gone.
Yeah. It's safe, baby.
A little is fine, right, Mom? Yeah, enough to exchange for rice. Here, a bag of rice for you and your daughter. Thank you very much.
I've never tasted anything this good because we made it ourselves. Mom, we have a cart!
Yeah, it'll be less difficult from now on.
Our cart is full, Mom. We did it, baby.
The vegetables are so fresh. I'll get more.
Thank you very much. So much gold, Mom.
This is our hard work.
You guys came back?
No? We came to buy. Everyone eat together.
Happiness is sharing!
I'm sorry.